I'm gonna make a big play.
Go right after him, Kenny. Dude just shot water out of the pole. You going, Cameron? You going?
Samuel, get out so you can jump for the camera. I'm making a video.
No earthquake!
Ow! Ow! Jennifer?
What?
You doing something? Jennifer?
Come on,
You
dude.
stand there.
Jump in.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go back.
Do it for YouTube.
You don't have to swim. It's only 4 foot deep.
You're bigger than 4 feet.
Okay, Samuel, your turn.
All this water feels so good. It smells like suntan lotion. And for once you got your hair wet.
I-
Yeah, you don't have to put it in my eyes if you don't mind. Now you This is a bug light film.
My back hurts. Mine does after that second splash. My butt hurts.